Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix TikTok sound removed. So let's get started. Open your TikTok app on your mobile device. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on the video with the removed sound to open it. Tap the three dots on the right side of the screen to open the options menu. Tap on Save Video to download the video to your device. Next, go back to the home screen of the TikTok app and tap the plus icon to create a new video. Select Upload and choose the video you just saved. Tap Next, then tap Add Sounds at the top of the screen. Search for a new sound or the same sound if it's still available. Tap the sound to add it to your video. Once you're happy with the sound, tap Next, add any captions or effects, and then tap Post to upload your video again. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.